Did you know that eggs have only 6 grams of protein per egg? While they're great for protein, many other foods pack even more. Stick around as we break down the best high-protein foods that can fuel your body better than eggs. Protein is essential for muscle growth, energy, and overall health. But if you're only relying on eggs, you might not be getting enough. Let's explore some powerful protein sources to boost your diet. 1. Chicken breast protein, 26 grams per 3 ounces. Chicken breast is one of the best animal protein sources, rich in amino acids essential for muscle repair and growth. It's a lean cut, meaning it's low in fat and calories, making it ideal for people trying to lose or maintain weight. It's incredibly versatile and can be cooked in various ways, making it easy to include in any meal. 2. Cottage cheese protein, 28 grams per 1 cup. Cottage cheese is rich in casein, a slow-digesting protein that helps provide a steady release of amino acids, perfect for long-lasting muscle repair. It's also high in calcium, which is essential for bone health, and vitamin B12, which supports energy production. It can be eaten as a snack or mixed into salads, smoothies, and more. 3. Salmon protein, 22 grams per 3 ounces. Salmon is an excellent source of omega-3 fatty acids, which support heart health, reduce inflammation, and improve cognitive function. It's also packed with vitamin D, essential for bone health and immune function. Despite being fatty, the fats in salmon are healthy, offering protein without too much saturated fat. 4. Lentils protein, 18 grams per cooked cup. Lentils are a fantastic source of plant-based protein, making them perfect for vegetarians and vegans. They're also rich in fiber, which supports digestion and helps to regulate blood sugar levels. Lentils are high in iron, making them a good choice for those who need to boost their iron intake, especially vegetarians. 5. Greek yogurt protein, 15 grams per 6-ounce serving. Greek yogurt contains probiotics that are beneficial for gut health and can help maintain a balanced microbiome. It's also rich in calcium, which helps support strong bones and teeth. Unlike regular yogurt, Greek yogurt is strained to remove excess liquid, leaving behind more protein and less sugar. 6. Tofu protein, 10 grams per 4-ounce serving. Tofu is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that your body cannot make on its own. It takes on the flavor of whatever it's cooked with, making it incredibly versatile in both savory and sweet dishes. It's also low in saturated fat, offering a heart-healthy option for those looking to reduce their fat intake. 7. Tuna protein, 22 grams per 3 ounces. Tuna is an excellent lean protein source, low in fat but high in protein per serving. Just like salmon, tuna is a great source of omega-3 fatty acids that support heart and brain health. Canned tuna is an affordable and convenient source of protein that requires little preparation. 8. Quinoa protein, 8 grams per cooked cup. Quinoa is one of the few plant-based foods that provide all 9 essential amino acids, making it a complete protein. It's rich in fiber, which aids in digestion and helps control blood sugar levels. Quinoa is naturally gluten-free, making it an excellent choice for people with gluten sensitivities or celiac disease. 9. Seitan protein, 21 grams per 3 ounces. Seitan, made from wheat gluten, is one of the highest plant-based protein sources, offering more protein than many animal products. It contains very little fat, making it a lean option for those looking to increase protein intake without extra calories. Seitan has a meaty texture, making it a popular meat alternative for vegetarians and vegans. 10. Edamame protein, 17 grams per cooked cup. Like quinoa and tofu, edamame is a complete protein, containing all 9 essential amino acids. Edamame is high in fiber and antioxidants, which help support digestion and protect against oxidative stress. It can be enjoyed as a snack, added to salads, or used in stir-fries for a protein boost. The best way to maximize your protein intake is by eating a variety of these foods. Whether you're a meat eater or plant-based, there are plenty of options to meet your protein goals without relying on eggs alone. Now, you know which foods have more protein than eggs. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more nutrition tips.